Hello everyone! Today we are going to learn how to make this type of circular logo in CorelDRAW. So let's get started. But before that, make sure you subscribe to the channel and keep learning consistently with us. Let's go! First of all, take a circle and fill it with color. Now, drag the color inside while holding the Shift key. After that, change the outline color of the smaller circle and adjust its outline size as shown in the video. Now remove the outline of the bigger circle. Type your company name, change its font, resize it, and change its color. Copy this text and drag it downward. Select the upper text, go to the text menu, and click on Fit Text to Path. Adjust it properly according to the video. Do the same with the lower text as well. Now select the star shape, drag it, and place it nicely as shown in the video. Select all 3 stars, copy them, and flip them. Now select everything and remove all outlines. Place your icon and position it in the center. I had already made a leaf shape, so I will import it. For now, keep it aside. Draw another circle and place it properly in the center as shown in the video. Select Circle and go to Arc Tool, and then Shape Tool. And do the same as shown in the video. Click again on Arc, and now select your leaf and duplicate it. Select both leaves and press B for alignment. Select one leaf, go to Blend, and drag it towards the second leaf. And now go to Blend Object tool and make sure the number of steps is 16. Click on New Path and then click on the half-done circle. Follow the same process shown in the video. Now select the whole shape, go to Effects, Blend, and check both visible options and click Apply. Select the first leaf and rotate it. Repeat the same process for the bottom side. Select it and flip it. Then adjust it properly. Now take a small circle and place it neatly. And now select both sides of objects and remove the outlines. Select the text tool, type your year, change its font and color, and place it in the center. Now take the half part of the leaf and place it nicely as shown in the video. And here we go. Our logo is ready. Thank you so much for watching and keep learning with us.